I get asked a lot, is there a template that I can use to just fill out my SWPP? Is there something out there that I can just follow along and it's going to tell me what I need to put down, and then I just, just fill it out, some sort of a template? And the answer is probably yes, right? Depending on the state that you're in, depending on where your construction project is at, there is very likely a template that the state has put out. Now, do you have to use that template? No, unless your state requires it, which is so far I haven't worked in the state that requires you to use a specific template. Although I have worked in some cities that require specific templates. But statewide, usually there's not a specific template that you have to use, but they will often have a template that you can use to help you fill out that SWPP. The best way to find the template for your state is to search for something like your state name, CGP. CGP stands for Construction General Permit, and then SWPPP template. And that should help you pull that up. Some of them are not that easy to find. Some of them you might have to dig around for. Some of them, some states may not even have a template. But if you search for your state name and then CGP, which stands for Construction General Permit, and then SWPPP template, SWPPP template, that's probably the best way for you to find your state's specific template. Now, if you can't find a specific template for your state, or you don't think your state has one, the EPA definitely does have one. So you can always search for EPA SWIP template, and you'll get the EPA template. Now, most state templates that I've seen pretty closely mirror the state, the EPA template, and so using the EPA template, you probably have a pretty safe bet of meeting all your local requirements as well in that SWIP. So there you go. That's how you find your state's SWIP template. Thank you.